In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Facebook profile from search engines. If you're looking to increase your privacy and control over who can find your Facebook profile through search engines like Google or Bing, then this guide is just for you. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to ensure your profile remains hidden from external searches. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Head over to Facebook by opening your preferred web browser and entering www.facebook.com in the address bar. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Facebook homepage. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your Facebook page. Here, you should see your profile photo. Clicking on your profile photo will bring up a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options, but what we're interested in is the Settings and Privacy option. Once you've clicked on Settings and Privacy, you'll notice another menu appears. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Facebook account. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll see a list of options. Look for the section labeled Privacy. Click on it to open the privacy settings. Within the privacy settings, find the part that says how people find and contact you. This section is crucial for controlling who can see your profile and how they can find you. Click on this option to view the settings related to how people can find you on Facebook. Now, you're looking for a setting that pertains to search engines. This specific setting controls whether search engines outside of Facebook can link to your profile. By default, Facebook allows search engines to index your profile, which means your profile could appear in external search results unless you change this setting. To hide your profile from search engines, you'll need to turn off this setting. Look for the option that mentions search engines and toggle it off. This action will prevent search engines like Google or Bing from linking to your Facebook profile, effectively hiding it from those platforms. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now increased your privacy on Facebook, ensuring that your profile won't appear in external search engine results. Remember, while this setting hides your profile from search engines, it doesn't affect how people can find you within Facebook itself. Always review your privacy settings regularly to maintain the level of privacy you're comfortable with. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.